This week and the weeks following, they are going to be special for us at RescoliByCarlo, but they should be special for you as well, because we would need your collaboration. Basically, we are participating in the European Week for Waste Reduction. The European Union focuses on waste reduction. How should we reduce our waste? What's RescoliByCarlo doing? Basically, we are launching today the hashtag Respect Yesterday, hashtag Save Today, and hashtag Enjoy Tomorrow. RescoliByCarlo works on reloved, upcycled furniture. We are campaigning on the reduction of furniture waste into the dump. Basically, we need your help. Through our social media and YouTube, we will be discussing, we will be also showing what to do with your unloved furniture. And we're going to discuss about the respect of that furniture, how to save it, and how to enjoy it. See you tomorrow.